Brad Williams, Excel Prime, here it is again. But this time, sum if less than. How are we going to do this? We're just going to change the requirement. Less than F2. Here's F2. We're going to do the same thing. Total cost less than sum if. Sum if. Sum ifs. One criteria, the anatomy. I just have less than 10 grand. That's wrong. This should be set up to concatenate to match this, but to be done later. All right. So again, as a reminder, some numbers that meet a criteria. For those of you who jumped ahead and thought this was a great heading, this is your first introduction to SUMIF. Here we go. We have a SUMIF and SUMIFS. We're going to follow this criteria. Here it is. The range is total 121. What is this? A name range. What does it represent? G5 to G12. What are we doing? We're looking for everything less than F2. 5, 8, 5, 7. Then what are we going to do? We're going to sum them all up. That's it. SUMIFs, exactly the same thing, but the arrangement is a little bit different. The one benefit of SUMIF, if I wanted the numbers between. So if I went less than and greater than, I would be using SUMIFS, as shown in a number of previous tutorials. That's it. Hit F9 if you don't like that number, and everything changes. Why? Well, because it's my worksheet. So my worksheet, my design. You don't like it? Redesign it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.